Good morning, children. Subject Mathematics, Standard 2nd. Are you eager to learn, children? Something new today. So, we will start a new concept, that is ascending and descending order of numbers. So, we'll see on the page number 39 and 40 of your textbook. Let's have a recap of comparing numbers. The children, you can see the symbol stands for smaller than and the symbol stands for greater numbers. From the examples below, we shall see how they are used. 3 is less than 7. You can see the symbol used here. 1 is less than 9. Children, now you know the symbol used for less sign here also. 20 is greater than 2. The symbol used for greater sign you can see here. Next is 7 is greater than 3. You can see there the symbol used. 9 is greater than 1. Here also you can see the symbol used for greater sign. 2 is less than 20. Here also you can see the symbol used. Now write down the symbols that we use for smaller and the sign used for greater than. So you can write down the symbols in your book. Now let's understand that what's the neighboring numbers on each side. The numbers here are 3 numbers are arranged: 22, 23 and 24. Now let's take the middle number that we can see in the screen. So we see 23. What comes before 23? Yes, children, it is 22. And what comes after 23? It is 24. So the number which comes before is on left and the number which comes after is at right, and this is called neighboring numbers, that is one after the other. Children, now in this picture we see the children are standing in a queue according to their height. The child with smallest height is standing first and the child with the biggest height is standing at last. This shows they are arranged from small to big. Yes, children, they are arranged how? From small to big. Such order is called ascending order. Now let's see the next image. Here we see the biggest child is standing first while the smallest is standing last. This shows that they are arranged from big to small. Yes, how they are arranged? From big to small. Such order is called descending order. Children, now repeat after me. The order from small to big is called ascending order. Yes, the order from small to big is called ascending order. The order from big to small is called descending order. The order from big to small is called descending order. Children, now let's understand ascending order with an example. The number given here are 36, 23 and 17. So in the first step, we will compare two numbers. 23 is less than 36 and 17 is less than 23. 17 is less than 36. So we see 17 is smaller smaller than all the given numbers. So we can say 17 is smallest than all the other numbers. Ascending order means small to big. So I will write 17 at the first. Now children, 23 and 36 are remaining, out of which 23 is smaller than 36. So I will write 23 as my second number. The last number remaining is 36, which is the biggest of given numbers, which we will write at last. So ascending order is small to big, that is 17, 23 and 36. Let's take some more examples. The number given is, first example are 23, 12 and 52. 12 is smallest, which is at first. Then 25 is in the middle and 54, which is the biggest number, at last. Second example, the number given in the second example is 67, 9 and 32. 9 is the smallest number, 32 is in the middle and 67, which is the biggest number, at last. Third example, the numbers given in this example are 44, 92 and 30. 30 is the smallest, which comes at first as a first number. 44 is in the middle and the 92, which is the biggest number, at last. Let's understand descending order with an example. Descending order means bigger to smaller. The numbers given here are 36, 23 and 48. So the biggest number here is 48. We will write it down first. The remaining numbers are 36 and 23, out of which 36 is bigger. So we will write it down second, and the smallest of all is 23. So we will write at last. Now the descending order is 48, 36, 23. Let's now have a recap of ascending and descending order of 4 numbers. In the given example, we can see the numbers are 59, 44, 61 and 38. Out of this, 38 is the smallest. So we will write it at first. The next smaller number is 44. Then comes 59. And the biggest of all is 61. The descending order will be opposite of it. 61 is the biggest. It comes first. Then is 59 and 44. And the smallest is 38. Let's practice ascending and descending order. The given numbers are 53, 84, 76. So ascending order is small to big. That is 53, 76, 84. And the descending order is big to small. That is 84, 76, 53. One more example. Here the numbers are 34, 26, 49 and 30. Ascending order will be 26, 30, 34, 49. And the descending order will be 49, 34, 30 and 26. Now let's complete the remaining example in the given table.